won't believe it, but this recipe looks like bread even though it isn't. It's much healthier, it's so much better. The recipe I'm going to teach you today is absolutely perfect for serving to guests or your family on a special occasion. All you need is oats, rosemary, and a few other very simple ingredients, and that's it. You have the perfect gluten-free vegan bread substitute, super natural, and it even helps the environment and animals. Because it's a 100% plant-based recipe. It's amazing, and I'm going to show you how to make it now. Let's learn. I love this world of natural recipes, and this one turned out delicious. And the first step to making this perfect bread substitute is to weigh out 140 grams of peeled sweet potato. And here's a tip. Cook the sweet potato in a steamer. It can be a metal steamer because it will absorb less water. This is a really important detail to make sure the recipe turns out right. Here I already have my cooked sweet potato, and you can use any type of sweet potato. It can be orange sweet potato or even purple sweet potato. It doesn't matter, it'll work, okay? Or even white potato, that works too. So first step, once it's cooked and soft, now we're going to make a mash with it. Let's go. Now I'm going to set this aside for a moment, and I'll grab another bowl right here and add in half a cup of oat flour. Next, I'll add a quarter cup of chickpea flour. Here, you can use almond flour, peanut flour, or any kind of groundnut or seed flour that works just as well too. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of flaxseed flour here, and now let us proceed to the seasonings. First of all, a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, and then 1 teaspoon of salt. Salt is always to taste and optional. A quarter teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of ground turmeric. Perfect, let's mix it all together. Now I add 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley, 1 tablespoon of chives. And finally, I have here 1 heaping tablespoon of fresh aromatic rosemary leaves. Finely chopped, there isn't too much rosemary because rosemary is quite strong. And guys, what a flavor! Just by adding rosemary, you'll see this recipe is going to be amazing. Let's mix it up. Now I come back to my sweet potato mash and carefully add it to the dry ingredient mixture. Mix it well. And here you'll notice that it's kind of hard to mix, right? That's because I steamed the sweet potato, as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, so the sweet potato isn't very moist. To moisten the dough, I'm going to use a quarter cup of plant-based milk. I'm using almond milk. It can be any kind except oat milk, okay? So let's mix it up. Now, you'll need to adjust the consistency of the dough. Why? Because depending on your sweet potato, which can vary since it's a vegetable, sometimes it will have less water if it's older or more water if it's fresher. So here you adjust the consistency. You gradually add more plant-based milk. I'm going to start with 2 tablespoons of plant-based milk, making sure to measure it carefully. Let's mix it up well. Now I'm going to add 2 more tablespoons, just as before. I'm going to start with just 1 tablespoon. I believe the dough is at the right consistency now, okay? So I use 3 extra tablespoons, almost half a cup of plant-based milk, but a little less, okay? Now finally, I add the juice of half a lemon, which is a very full tablespoon of lemon juice. Let's mix it up. And here I already have a perfect dough that has no baking powder, no gluten, it's vegan, lactose-free, and more sustainable. It's wonderful, guys. So what we're going to do now is grab a baking pan. Here I'm using a pan that can be used for either bread or cakes in the air fryer. You can use cupcake molds if you want to make muffins. I'm gonna use this pan here because it's a special occasion. I want to serve it to guests, so I'm going to make it look a bit nicer, but that's up to you, okay? So I take this batter and start putting it into the mold, shall we? Perfect, guys. Now you can just preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit, and you can also make it in the air fryer. The best part is that this pan fits in my air fryer. And of course, if you want to make individual portions, you can do that too. Like I said, just use small molds. Cupcake molds? Guys, I'm excited to show you the final result. You'll see. I already want to tell you about the aroma in your house. It's wonderful. It's perfect for any special occasion. I'll be back in a bit. My My rosemary bread is ready, and guys, look how beautiful it is. I prepared this special decoration to inspire you to serve it at a special occasion for your whole family. Yes, you can even serve it at the Christmas or New Year's afternoon snack or at any special occasion. The important thing is that no one will believe you made it because it's beautiful, it smells amazing, it's super tasty, it's healthy, and only you know it's really easy to make. Guys, it only takes 15 minutes in the air fryer to be ready. And if you make it in the oven, it's 25 minutes. Estimated time. And of course, I wanted to tell you that this wonder is my own original recipe. It's a really healthy recipe. It doesn't even contain refined oil. If you want to have a more natural and sustainable lifestyle, this is the channel for you. So subscribe because my recipes are the most natural there are, and the solutions I share with you are too. I hope you enjoyed it. Like the video if you enjoyed it. And of course, I wanted to invite you to come to my school, okay? Why? These recipes are available on YouTube, but there are many more waiting for you at my school. I have my courses, my cookbooks, and even free lessons for you. If I were you, I'd go there. If you're looking for a more natural lifestyle, take a look at my school. Link in the description. It's also available here in this QR code if you're watching me on TV. There's a pinned comment, and it's also written here on the screen if you want to type it in. So, I'll see you in the next video. That's it. See you later.